na tayo ng almusal and baon. Hindi ako nag-vlog ng ilang araw. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-upload. Now we had a really hectic weekend. Weekend ba? No, nag-start ng Thursday yun eh. But yeah, it's a tough one. But she's happy now. Of course, you know who's the toughest one. But she's happy now. Hey? As long as you're happy now, Baba. Because it's Harley's birthday soon on Saturday.
No.
But she's gonna celebrate today at school.
No.
So we're gonna pick up her cupcakes. I ordered her dairy-free and gluten-free, of course, na cupcakes.
No.
And it's Gabby's dollhouse.
No.
Is Riker gonna have? No.
Yeah.
Oh, you're saying no.
Yeah. I'm gonna have some.
Okay.
I gotta eat it all.
You're gonna eat it all.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a 12 cupcakes though. How are you gonna eat that all?
Yeah.
So, yeah, so malayo-layo yung pinag-orderan ko, ano. Pipick upin namin ni Riker after namin madrop si Harley sa school.
Oh, yummy.
Yeah, that's yours. For later. What's Harley doing?
Mama, that's mine.
Yeah, the orange one. And, ano pa ba? And we're gonna pack today. Riker's gonna help me pack. Because mag-staycation kami bukas.
You come there.
Oh, you want some? Okay, I'll give you some. Mag-staycation kami sa
I
city.
don't want the cut. I don't want the cut.
But I gotta cut the... what do you call that? Sa city kami mag-stay for the weekend. For Harley's birthday, of course. And my Christmas pageant din kasi ulit. And it's right on Harley's birthday. So that's what we're gonna do. So you're gonna help Mommy pack today? Yung, for the hotel? Pardon? Ang weak ng kamay ko ngayon. Dahil nga dun sa ating pabotox sa kamay. Oh, that's enough.
There's only 3.
Okay, only 2 na lang. Kasi the other one is yucky.
2.
Harley, breakfast. Oh, can you sit down on your chair now? Please.
That one is yucky.
Yeah, that one's yucky. This one's actually yucky too.
No, it's not. Down that.
That one's yucky. Oh, yuck.
The strawberries is all gone.
I know, I gotta buy. Remind me later, okay? Can you sit on the chair now, baby? Oh, that's not hot anymore. Gotta microwave it. Ay, man. Weak talaga ng kamay ko, guys. Pero nag-survive naman. Nag-survive naman ako sa gym. So, nung Thursday, last week, hindi maganda yung tulog niya kasi may sakit siya. And, pagka Friday ba yun? Or Saturday? Nanaginip yata siya ng bad dream. So, ayaw niya matulog sa kwarto niya, guys. Kahit nga sa kwarto namin, tas ayaw niya sa dilim, takot siya. As in, takot talaga siya. So, yung bedtime routine namin for 3 nights is, siya umiiyak, gawala, kasi nga ayaw niya magpajama. So, yeah. Pero ngayon, okay na. Thank God. Ang ginawa namin, alam niyo, nilagay namin, kasi nakakatulog lang siya sa harap ng TV kapag nanonood. So, sa sala sa taas. So, nilagay namin yung mattress niya. So, nilagay namin yung mattress niya dun sa sala sa taas. Yun, ang kanyang ano. Pero hoping nga tomorrow, we're gonna staycation, mawala yun. So, okay naman last night, yun yung pinaka-best night niya is happy siya and hindi siya masyadong nagreklamo. So, sana pawala na yan yung kanyang memory of her bad dream. Ayan, umuulan pa. No? Napick up na namin yung cupcakes ni ate. Sabi ko sa kanya, vanilla kasi yung una niyang sabi kong okay lang. Sabi ko pong pwedeng chocolate. And hindi niya nabasa, nakakaloka. Vanilla yung nabake ko. Anyway, magustuhan naman siguro nila yan. Tara na sa school. Si Riker nandun sa likod na pala siya, guys. So, yan na yung itsura ng likod namin. So, nandun siya sa 3rd row. Kasi palagi sila nag-aaway ng ate niya. So, siya na nag-volunteer dyan sa likod. Sa likod na siya upo. So, siya na mismo nag-volunteer na sa likod siya. Dahil sabi ko, I can't keep driving and you guys, when you guys are fighting. So, yeah, siya mismo nag-volunteer na upo sa likod, guys. Gustong-gusto niya naman. So, nilipat ni daddy niya yun. Nasa likod na siya. So, less stress na si mommy kapag nagda-drive, no? Muulan. Buti na lang yung swimming pool sa is indoor sa Marriott. We're staying at the Marriott pala. And yeah, makapag-swimming ang kids. So I think hopefully naman yun, heated pool. No? Is that yummy?
Mama,
Cake is broken na. Let me see. Oh, cakey. Guys, alas 4 na pala. 4:40, sorry. 4:40. Riker, can you put pepper? Riker's been putting the pepper sa ating dinner. So, yan yung sa kids. And ito yung sa amin ni Ben. I'm just exhausted ngayon, guys. So, sorry. Ngayon na ako nag-vlog ulit. Si Harley, nagpunta na yan ng therapy. Sinundo ko yan ng 2 o'clock. And hindi pa nag-post yung teacher niya po dun sa happy birthday cupcakes niya sa school. Try kong i-upload yun. I-blur ko na lang yung mga Cheetos. So, yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Holly. Happy birthday to you.
Wala lang kaming ganap ni Riker. Umuwi lang kami kaagad sa bahay. Pagkatapos namin i-drop yung cupcakes ni ate. And sila ate dumating na 1:00 para maglinis. And kami ni Riker, umalis kami ng 2:00 para i-pick up si Harley. So, yun lang yung ganap natin. Hapon, hindi pa ako nakapag-pack. So, mamaya mag-pack tayo. Okay, may brain fog ako ngayon. So, yung Apple Watch ko, hindi ko na naman mahanap kung saan ko nakalagay, Just yung pag wala kang tulog. And, yeah. Struggle. Anyway. Sabi ni Ben, kakain daw sana kami sa labas. Sabi ko, hindi. Kasi bukas kakain na naman tayo. Buong weekend kakain tayo sa labas. So, dinner na tayo sa bahay. Kagabi, nag-adobo ako. So, yun yung lunch namin nilike ko kasi may natira pa kanina. And ako, protein shake. What else? Yeah. So, yun lang naman. Mag-grocery yun sana ako kanina kasi naisip ko wala pala kami dito ng weekend. So, sa Sunday na lang ako mag-grocery. May pambaon naman pa si Harley bukas sa school. Pasok tayo siya bukas. So, pick upin na lang namin siya ng 2:00 ulit. Para makaligo pa siya muna sa bahay. O baka bihisan ko na lang siya dito tapos for sure magsuswimming naman yung mga yan doon. Mag-relax. Mag-stay lang talaga kami sa hotel. And yeah. Wala naman kami masyadong plano. This weekend, we're just gonna watch the Christmas pageant. Pero I think uulan. So we'll see kung gaano kalakas yung ulan. And then, yeah. Swimming and room service.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
It's Hallie's birthday, you guys. And we're here at the Christmas pageant. Yung birthday niya right on the Christmas pageant day. Alright. And ang ganda kasi meron silang space for disability kids dito. Sa gitna mismo.
And I can't help but feel it. Just loving this moment. Can we stay
Ayan, mag-start na yung parade.
this moment? Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know? Cause I just love this moment. Can we stay here
Hallie's there.
forever?
Wave hello!
Hi, Merry Christmas. So nice to see you. Hi, Emma Winkle. Just to wake you when I'm with you. I can't help but feel it.
Oh, coming for real.
This moment, can we stay here?
Hey, no, it's not.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Love this moment. Can we stay here forever?
You gotta wave to Santa.
Can we stay here?
You gotta shout what present do you want. You gotta shout it. Shout it.
Can we stay here forever?
I want to go. You say shout it.
This moment,
You say Santa. I want my present soon.
just loving
You wave to Santa. So he'll give you a present.
stay here forever. I'm loving this moment.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. Ang tagal kong di nag-vlog. Ayan, tinan nyo naman yung mga damit. Tinan nyo naman yung mga pajamas nila. Oh, pang winter pa, guys. Ewan ko ba yung weather talaga lately. November na, malamig pa din. Lucky today may araw. Kasi naulan lately din. Kahapon maaraw din naman, pero umulan lang ano. Morning, Ai. Nag-snacking eh, oh. Nag-snacking siya, guys.
Park again?
High five, Mom. Oh.
Are we gonna go to the park again today? Bob?
So yesterday we went to the park. So what time do we leave today? Because the basketball is early.
Now, your turn, Daddy.
3.
Yes, mate.
The
As soon as Mom
basketball.
gets here, yeah? Yeah, si Mother sasama. Kasi early game naman. So, ayaw umuwi no ng gabi na madilim sa bahay. Pero, sabi ko, maaga naman yung laro ngayon. So, sama siya kasi may extra tickets kami.
Go 36ers!
Go 36ers. Riker.
36ers! Go 36ers!
Where are you going next week with Mommy Riker?
We're going to the Sydney.
No? Where else? Melbourne? To ride the...
Boat.
Yeah, what boat?
The Daisy Cruise boat.
Wow. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes? Who are you gonna see there? Who are you excited to see? Character.
I want to see Minnie Mouse
And?
and Mickey Mouse, and I want Donald Duck.
Oh, who else? Who's your favorite? Who's your favorite? Spider-Man.
Daddy, you want to come in the sea?
Of course I would love to come. I would be so excited to come. But he's got to go to school, Daddy's got to work. But one day soon, Daddy will get much more time off work, right?
Okay.
Daddy's working on it, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
But at the moment, Daddy's got to work.
Mom, I want to go to city.
So is Daddy and Harley gonna come?
No.
Just you and...
We're going to plan an exciting adventure next weekend, Harley. What are we going to do?
You wanna share to Harley? She's looking at it. You wanna share one to Harley?
We're going to have an exciting adventure.
Hi,
Thank you for sharing. You're
that's
good
a big
sometimes.
one.
I know. You're good to Holly most of the time, aren't you?
Really?
Pardon?
Really, Mum? Most of the time?
Well, ano, sometimes. Ayan, magtupi lang tayo guys dahil meron akong isang basket ng tupiin and dalawang load ng washing because 3 days we leave. So, yeah. It's just me and Riker. This time, kasi may pasok si ate and may work si Ben. And magka-quick getaway lang kami ni Riker because it's been, honestly, kaya on and off yung vlog ko, it's a bit of a struggle lately. And ngayon, to the point na ngayon kailangan naming lahat ng breeder. So,
Mom, it's raining.
I know. Nandiyan si Riker. Nanonood siya ng Bluey. Dito kami sa taas kasi nagtutupi nga ako. And yung dalawa nasa baba. Started after Halloween. We're all tired. We're all struggling. And yeah, so I think, we thought that it's good idea to get a quick getaway ngayon dahil para makahinga-hinga naman kaming lahat. Because it's not easy, you guys. So yeah, Ben will be fine naman because he's done it before. And I always prepare naman all yung mga kailangan ni Harley for school. And binibrief ko naman siya kung ano yung mga kailangan niyang gawin. And yeah, so I can take Riker to a quick holiday. We were gonna go to Sydney, pero nakita ko yung weather. It's been raining lately, and I don't know, it's, same in the Philippines. Like, it's so much hotter kasi yung typhoon, no? I feel so sorry for all the people that lost their homes. It's hard, So yeah, it's been hard with Harley and Riker lately kasi they having lots of fight. Nag-aaway na sila palagi madalas. And it's hard on both of them, of course, and it's kasi yung isa nag-crave ng interaction, yung mga bunso, nangaasar sa mga ate, alam mo yun. And it's hard lang sa amin kasi si ate, hindi niya nga fully nagigets na, yung kapatid mo gusto lang makipaglaro sa'yo, tinatry niya kung paano makipag-interact sa'yo, pero, si Harley naman, tinatry niya rin naman, kaso, most of the time, natitrigger talaga siya. And, yeah, it's just really challenging, Harley tries to interact in her own way, kasi nga, diba, they have their own little world, and socially, hindi nila alam. Socially, they have their own way to interact, trying to interact with others. Makulit kasi to, lalo na lalaki, di ba? So, yeah, I think it will be good for Ate to have a break and, you know, have her own space. For Riker to have that, for me and Riker to have that bond and ma-feed ko lang yung mga kailangan niya, di ba? Yung that bonding and Ben to be relaxed because he's really busy at work and ako para makahinga din sa kakabawal. Kakabawal pa ulit-ulit and alam niyo yun. So, yeah, I guess gets naman lahat yun ng mga magulang na nanonood and especially mga magulang na may neurodivergent kid. So, hindi naman kami ng Pilipinas din. So, mid-January. And that'll be good. Sabi nga namin kung it's really hard and we're not getting our sleep, we're not getting our rest, is uuwi ako with the kids. And magkapasko kami sa Pilipinas. Kaso, hindi ko rin naman yata kayang mag-travel ng long flight with 2 kids, especially ngayon na nag-aaway nga sila madalas. So it's gonna hit me hard if I put myself pa sa sitwasyon na yun. So, sabi ko maybe I'll just, decide nga na muna kami, getaway kami ni Riker para makahinga kaming pareho mag-asawa, makahinga yung mga kids, alam mo yun.
Santa!
I know.
It's Christmas.
It is. It's Christmas soon. And yeah, magki-Christmas pala kami sa Melbourne. So, mag-road trip lang kami niyan. Hindi naman kami normally. Pag pupunta kami na Melbourne, we usually just drive. So, yeah, Pasko kami with Ben's family, of course. Most of the time,
For you.
sila yung pumupunta dito sa Adelaide. So, this time, kami naman ang pupunta. So, yeah. Ayun. Special need kids kasi it's up and down. So, it's up and down. I talk to other parents have the similar situation sa amin. And, you know, it is up and down. Like, you celebrate the small wins, but then, one thing naman na magre-regress. Alam mo yun? Like, yung communication niya is up. And it's progressing. And then, yung behavior niya naman is regressing. So, it's really just up and down. And, ako naman ngayon, it's just, I guess, pagod ako. And, alam mo yun? Kasi, hindi rin talaga madali. And, ngayon, parang, ang dali kong matrigger din. Like, parang ako hindi ko na rin na-regulate yung emotion ko kaagad. Like, na palagi ka kasing overstimulated, palagi kang fight or flight, you know? So, yeah, you just gotta, I guess, hanap ka ng ways nga para hinga ka like, ay, kahit pa paano. Alam mo yun? Life is lifing. I was looking at going to Sydney, pero yung weather nga, it's been rainy. Ayoko namang lang yung travel namin, di ba, masayang. And magstay lang kami sa hotel. At least sa Disney Cruise, ma-enjoy namin dalawa kasi we love watching yung mga theater show nila doon. It's the best. And yung kids club, and nandun na rin lahat. Like, may pagkain na, alam mo yun. So, this time we're cruising naman to Melbourne, to New Zealand, to Auckland, actually. So, international siya. And, bumili na ako ng mga, ano ba yun? Bonamin ba yun? Yung para pang sisik ba? Kasi, baka rough sea kasi yung New Zealand. So, ako kasi last time nung Melbourne to Sydney namin na na cruise, medyo nasisik ako. Baka siguro din meron akong sipon nun, o I don't know. But, yeah, wala akong dala-dala nun na kit. So, ngayon bumili na ako just in case sa amin ni Riker. So, it'll be fun. It's first time. traveling, just the two of us, and it will be fun. We'll have fun. And the Ben and Harley will have fun then for sure kasi makidaddy din talaga yan si Harley eh. So, it's a reminder na minsan it's okay not to be okay. It's okay to feel it. It's okay to, you know, stop and reset and try. I mean, I know it's hard for some people kasi, you know, magtatrabaho pa kayo. Kailangan niyo palaging bangon. Pero kaya natin yan. Kaya natin lahat yan. Kaya natin to, guys. We're up to the basketball game, you guys. Ainste, Grandma, and Riker is at the back, right at the back. Riker is at the back row.
Well, it was pouring when I drove down here.
It was, yeah, because look at the weather, you guys.
So I want
Windy
to
nga eh.
try and be home before it gets dark. So hopefully.
Ano na, mag-alas 3 pa lang, you guys. So maaga-aga kami nakapag-eyelash pa lang.
Is that alright?
Of course.
Do you want to stay until
Ayan na si Mother. Taas kasi na kanilang stairs. Si Riker, kagigising lang yan, nakatulog yan. Tonto, ayan si Harley. I know, Harley gets so excited.
I bet you like the dancing girl.
She just loves the atmosphere. Yes. Harley sitting at the front. Look at Harley, guys. Rocker's still waking up.
We're the judge.
We're the judge. Ayan. Ito yung nabigay na ticket sa kanya, sis. Di ba? Courtside. Celebrity courtside talaga. Pero at least malapit lang kami. Nandun lang sila Ben. Ayun na si Ben. Sila din, nandito sila. Lola. Ayun sila. So, ang lapit lang. Kami so far, guys. Sana manalo. Yeah. Ayan, last quarter na lang, guys. Hi, ate. For si ate.